Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pick up the battery and put it into the battery. Alright, let's go ahead and remove these battery protector terminals covers. Let's go ahead and put on the passenger positive terminal first, and then we'll put on the negative terminal next. Let's go ahead and tie down the positive first. Alright, we're going to be using a 10mm socket to tie this down. Let's go ahead and tie that sucker down. Tie this negative terminal down as well. This one did not have a battery clamp, so we're not going to put a battery clamp on it. Secure that. Let's go ahead and put the induction system back into place. This goes in like this first, like this, and just snaps. It just snaps. Come on now, snaps into place. Jesus. Alright, let's go ahead and clean our area out. Let's go ahead and put in the second section of it. This goes right in there, just like so. If you have the retainer clips, 2 retainer clips go right there. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, and here we go. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.